Welcome to Lend Me a Hand. We're a lender
and a realtor.
We get together and we answer your commonly asked questions. A common question I get asked is, how long does a home buying process take?
Well, the first step is, like we said, the pre-approval. And that can be done in, an hour to 2 hours if you have the supporting documentation. But Steph, how long does it typically take when you're actually out shopping in the market with your realtor?
The shopping process is very individual and depending on how niche of a home you're looking for. But one thing you can anticipate is once you're under contract, you're usually looking at about 30 days until closing. And that's when you would normally get keys to the home.
That's right. So once you go under contract, it takes about 30 days for the loan to be processed and you to get to the closing table.